Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We'll explain how to use Android on your phone. Today I'll explain how to enable or disable airplane mode. Let's get started and see how can we do that. At first tap on settings. Tap on airplane mode. In this mode, it means that airplane mode is off. If you want to enable it, just press on this icon. Now airplane mode is enabled. That's it. Here we reach to the end of the video. In this video we explain how to enable or disable airplane mode on your Android phone. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.